Success is a process, not an event. So don't settle. Let's take 10 more steps. In this 10 Kadam series part 1, we will discuss 10 illustrations of thermal properties of matter. A pendulum clock allows 12 seconds a day if the temperature is 40 degrees Celsius and gains 4 seconds a day if the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. The temperature at which the clock will show the correct time is. Let I say the correct time temperature is known as the theta degree Celsius. Okay, we know time period of the pendulum is given by t equal to 2 pi root L by G. It means delta t upon t can be written as 1 by 2 delta L upon L. It is 1 by 2. Delta L is known as alpha L into, that is delta theta, change in temperature, upon L. L will cancelled. It will be delta t upon t equal to half alpha into delta theta. Now we will discuss the first situation. A pendulum clock allows 12 सेकेंड a day, यानी 12 एक दिन 24 आवर्स का था, उसके जगह आपका दिन हो गया 24 आवर्स माइनस 12 सेकेंड. ओके, विद द टेम्परेचर इज 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस, तो डेल्टा थीटा इज गिवन बाई 40 माइनस थीटा. सो वी पुट हियर all the values. Delta t upon t, delta t is change in time is given by 12 second, upon original time is given by 24 hours, 1 hour you can say 3600 seconds, equal to alpha upon 2 delta theta is known as a 40 minus theta. This is equation number 1. Now we will discuss the second part. And gain 4 second if temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. So again same logic, we will apply this logic here. Delta t is given to us, that is the 4 second, upon original t is 24 hours, so 24 into 3600 equal to alpha by 2 and temperature is theta minus 20, that is a change in temperature. This is equation number 2. We divide both the equation, we will get 12 upon 4 equal to 40 minus theta upon theta minus 20. So we will calculate, it is 4 3 are 12, 3 theta minus 60 equal to 40 minus theta. 3 theta plus theta is 4 theta, 4 theta is given to us, that is 100, theta is given to us 25 degrees Celsius. So right answer of this problem will be option A, that is 25 degree Celsius.